Brothers and sisters, welcome to the season of creation and welcome to the Jubilee for the year. We are on the penultimate day of our reflection. Today I would like to offer you paragraph 85. God has written a precious book whose letters are the multitude of created things present in the universe. Yes, today we offer you reflections on this precious book that God has written. What is the precious book? The book of creation. And this is precious to us. And we realize here that if we can maintain harmony in this precious book called the creation, then there is a better quality added to our daily life. Pope Francis says that we need to actively contemplate on the interdependence of the creation and the human beings. We cannot separate ourselves from the creation. We need the biodiversity. We need the ecosystem working, functioning normally for the survival of the human beings. We must repeat time and again that it is we who need and not the otherwise. And therefore, Pope Francis says that the creation gives us a divine manifestation. Let's say in the blaze of the sun and the fall of the night. So the entire creation is a manifestation of God. How much more, therefore, we need to care for it. I read these beautiful words from Lao Tzu, the Chinese wise man, who says, "These things from ancient times arise for one. The sky is whole and clear. The earth is whole and firm. The spirit is whole and free. When man interferes with the one, the sky becomes filthy. The earth becomes depleted. The equilibrium crumbles. Creatures become extinct." In the plan of God, in the holistic plan of God, in the plan of that one God, everything was full, firm, clean, pure. Intervention of the human beings has actually devastated this purity and oneness. And therefore, the song of St. Francis that I want to read for you today, the song of all the creatures, or the hymn of Brother Sun and Sister Moon, will let us know how St. Francis made this interdependence or the harmony between human beings and creatures possible through this beautiful hymn. Praise be you, my Lord, with all your creatures, especially Sir Brother Sun, who is the day and through whom you give us light. And he is beautiful and radiant with great splendor and bears a likeness of you most high. Praise be you, my Lord, through Sister Moon and the stars. In heaven you formed them clear and precious and beautiful. Praise be you, my Lord, through Brother Wind and through the air, cloudy and serene, and every kind of weather, through whom you give sustenance to your creatures. Praise be you, my Lord, through Sister Water, who is very useful and humble and precious and chaste. Praise be you, my Lord, through Brother Fire, through whom you give light the night, and he is beautiful and playful and robust and strong. On this penultimate day, as we continue to journey in our reflections on Laudato Si, care for creation, today I pray once again that we may continue to understand the importance of the interdependence, the harmony that we need to create between the nature and the human beings. We cannot afford to disrupt this relationship, for this is sacred, this is holy. We need to maintain it. May God bless us today.